Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speaker on Xiaomi 12s Ultra. And to do this, first we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device, and the first one is on the bottom right here. Next is on the top right here, and there's also a phone call speaker right here on the screen. Now, to determine if they are stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of these speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from two sources, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming from only one source, that's a mono speaker. Let's try it out. And clearly sound is coming from both of the sources, and that means this phone does have the stereo speaker. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.